Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hello, Rama.
It is.
Good morning.
Check it.
Have you seen my webcam?
No.
What is saying?
His webcam.
I think my record the video has problem, conflict with the webcam.
Okay, no issues. Okay. Just your questions on Slack.
Yes.
Whatever Linux that we are using in other servers, we should use the same. Same configuration with Symfony Elysium servers. Same configuration means.
I mean, you will use the same OS Ubuntu and the same configuration. We will apply the same security.
Yes, correct.
So we will use Ubuntu for API server.
Oh yes. So whatever we have in current servers. What services we need on API servers? What services means?
It means that on API server you will install web server or any kind of application on API server. Can you list?
Just let's keep it same as Symfony and Elysium, right?
In Symfony we have Nginx and passenger, right? Do we need that?
We need that.
So is it Java server or Node?
I'm still inclining towards Java. So if it's Node, then we need that. But even with Node,
If it is a Java server, we need a application server also. Yeah. So we need a lot of changes, right? No.
why a lot of anyway, it's a new server setup, right? But what changes you say?
Are we going to use same verify?
Moro will join the meeting today.
He's in the driving. He will join in 15 minutes.
Okay. Cool.
Give me 1 second. I'm talking to Gaurav regarding what type of application server we want to use for the API.
Okay, Rama.
Give me 1 minute. So if it is Java, we need to create a new repository. We need to create new repository, and we need to, if we need to use Wildfly, we need to put a new configuration for this application because we don't need database connections. We don't need to change. We need to change the standard on XML. So we need a new version. So do we really need that complicated thing? If it is Node, let's keep it simple. Let's not. Just Node, no React. Just Node. I think with
Like forever running Node.
So if it is Node, we don't need all this setup, right? Just no application. We can copy the existing configuration from Elysium and Elysium or Symfony.
Okay. So you will expose the endpoints through Node?
Yeah.
Like how? You're using Express or something?
Yeah. Node with Express. Ready?
Yeah, Node Express is easy. I've done it 100 of times. So Node Express is cool.
We need one more API server. So the server is to expose our APIs to third parties. So in the last couple of days, we both are having discussion to use a Java server or Node server. Right. So if it is Java server, just we are comparing both of them. If it is Java server, then long term easy to maintain. So we know all comparison are if we go for Node, almost 8 to 10 times faster than Java.
Then you want to go.
Second, this advantage Node is initial setup is very easy. We can do it within a day. With Java, we need a lot of configuration. We need to set up application server. We need to test it. If we get any issues, this setup will take more time. It will take almost a week. So in the long term, if you got any issues in Java, it is easy to identify in the application, not in the setup, server setup. In Node, server setup is simple,
But debugging is difficult.
but if you got any other, debugging is a big problem.
Also, so from Node, so it needs to call Vienna, right? So how will you call Vienna from Node? Like what?
We are doing today, right?
Same way we do it.
No, but like we do a lot of what do you say, security check on that, right? So are you still going to do it?
Or security check.
Like we don't expose, like the routes are different, right? The routes that we expose outside are not actually.
Yeah, in Node, we configured Elysium and Symfony IPs.
Yeah.
So sorry, in Vienna, Vienna will accept the request only from Elysium and Symfony.
Yeah.
So we should add one more IP of API server.
Okay, so that is not actually service to its IP.
And it's going to be public.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joe Blow can use it. Okay.
So when we receive Vienna response, we need to convert into some standard format.
Yep.
And we need to send it to the client.
Yep.
So do we
It's not a problem.
What standard format? Why standard format?
Well, you want it structured like a object or
yeah.
JSON.
No, right. No, if I
Maintain
make-
API versions, right? If Vienna is changed, the request and response structure of API should not change. We should maintain previous versions of API.
No, so right now if I make a Vienna call from Postman,
Mhm.
I actually get like a JSON with like a structure, right?
Yeah.
So what is, you can just forward that one.
We should not forward that directly to the client.
No.
Vienna, we are exposing all
Oh yeah, I got it. Like you
all
mean like
entities.
we only need a certain graph like
Yeah.
of it, like not the exact entire thing. So is that easy in Node? Like
Sure.
how?
It's similar to DTOs. In Java, we'll create DTO, right?
Yeah.
In the same way, how we can do it in JavaScript. We can create
It's not a problem. I have that at all. Of my projects.
also can you get it together? Or
Make it
send
what now? A sample
Yeah, sample.
from like API output, what it looks
Yeah.
like.
API, input for the API and output.
Oh, I also have that, I guess, on maps.
Yeah.
You can do
I
map.
have a little
right?
app that I was working on at home and I'm accessing my database outside on Greenpoint. Pulling that history.
No, he's saying the response that we get.
Yeah.
So we need to modify the keys or maybe add data or remove data from the response.
We should not touch that
No.
response.
Not the response
We
side.
need to create a brand new response.
The
in the
response?
API.
Yeah, I mean new response from the earlier response.
Well, that's not a problem. You're just going to send the response back in the format. Right? Is that what you're saying?
Not formatted.
Well, I mean, the output for the user should be formatted. Or you're just going to send it like,
We need to create a new response object and we need to copy the data from Vienna to this new response object and we need to send it to the user.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to be a problem. Right? I mean,
It is not.
it's
Yeah.
just an API and data.
Okay.
I don't think it's a problem.
Okay, let's go for Node then.
Okay, Doc, I think we are going with a node for this API server.
Okay. Not.
The services means whatever we have in Symfony and Elysium servers, we should have the same thing. Nginx and Passenger.
Okay.
How Vienna connect to Vienna will not connect to Redis.
Okay.
Node, the new API server node application that will connect to the Redis database.
Let's give the default configuration. Like port
Uh,
should be
once this API server is set up, we will have the IP for that. So in the Redis, we should configure to allow the request only from that IP. Yeah, I think that is it. API server should be able to access Redis. That is it. And the Redis DB, it should not be open for any other servers in public.
So Redis will connect locally only from API server will request
Correct.
for
Correct.
authorized to Redis server. And,
yes.
and all the communication between the API server and Redis, right?
Communication between what? Okay.
Only API server and Redis.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
So when the API server want to validate user, so for the first time, of course, on the Redis DB don't have user information. So at the first time, API server will talk to Vienna to verify
Correct.
the user, and when
Yes.
Correct.
when
Redis.
API had validate and Redis will update on their cache or the database. And
Yes.
Correct.
I am right. So
Yes.
Yes, correct.
So during the communication, so Redis don't have talk to Vienna server.
No.
Okay. So I already have a diagram. You can check it because I don't know how Redis work with Vienna. So after talk, I will.
Okay. Can you flag it?
Okay.
And also, Symfony should be able to connect to Redis. Symfony.
Why Symfony?
Because if the user refresh the API key, we need to delete that from Redis.
Yeah. You can.
Also, you okay, because you are generating API keys on Symfony, right?
Even credentials are updated.
Username password on Symfony.
Mhm.
You're thinking of same username password? I thought we would give them a different set of.
Generally, in most, I mean, in the general use case is they will create a separate user, API user.
On Symfony.
Yeah, on Symfony. So generally, people they will not log in with the API user. They will use API user only to, or they will create separate account. Yeah, I mean, if they need to refresh the token, they need to log in. I think it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, so Symfony and
Is it better to Symfony or Vienna should be able to access?
why do you want to?
Yeah, tomorrow if we provide this API key refresh access to admin, we should be able to do it from Elysium as well, right? So if you have it in
Why are you complicating it? Like right now, let's go with the basic use case, right? Why? When we need it, we can set it up again to. That's what. Right now,
so
the
front-end applications will have multiple applications.
yes.
Back-end it is single.
Yes.
So what I'm thinking is it better to keep that logic in multiple applications, or it's better to put it in Vienna just to clear whenever the user information is updated, just remove the record from Redis DB from Vienna. And this API server, it will put and access the data.
And then how about the Symfony thing? Like, how would you generate?
So
So generation of APIs will be on Symfony or
Symfony, but the API key should save in the database,
Yes.
in our database.
In our database first, yes.
So via Vienna.
Yes.
So Vienna will have that request.
Yes.
Whenever the user information is updated, we can clear from Redis. So if you put it in Vienna, it doesn't matter. Symfony will update it, or Elysium will update it, or something. Someone else will update it. Doesn't matter. Okay.
I have
So,
sent you the wrap diagram. You can have a look.
yeah, sure.
And on ready-made estimate cost, you can have a look also. Oh,
Something is wrong. I'm not able to access this.
okay. I will send you a screenshot.
I think it will work now. No. Or maybe you need to share it. Like I think you shared.
It seems you didn't share the diagram.
Okay, I check it now. So for with review, you can see the screenshot here.
Where is the screenshot?
Sending, I'm selected.
Okay. It's cool now.
To internet or public IP, API server. API server is micro. Private ELB, we already have it. We don't need to do anything. It will go here. Elastic cache or Redis. Here. 1 second.
You don't need this, right? That flow we don't need, right? Why?
This way.
The ELB, why is ELB going to Redis?
Yeah, that here, private ELB, it will not connect to the Redis. Directly, the API server will connect to it. So, remove this one.
Okay.
Hello guys.
Put it here.
Okay.
Hi, Moro.
Hey.
Oh, hello. Moro.
Also, like because we decided to like change that, so we said right that Vienna will not talk to Redis, but I think Vienna should talk to Redis.
So, API server and Vienna both should be able to talk to Redis.
Yeah, so
Hello, Moro.
Yes,
Do you have any idea for this diagram?
I just checking right now. API server, T2 micro, the private P, Vienna, API station internally, API server, do you want to make this? Do the Vienna backend, T2, Vienna backend, station, Elastic,
It is already existing. Just staging it.
T2 micro. Okay, and what's the error or the question here?
So I suggested two things as per our latest discussion. API server should be able to directly connect to Redis, and Vienna server should be able to directly connect to Redis.
Yes, we need to move that line and connect the API server directly to Redis, yes, and API server also to the private ELB Vienna. That is correct. Vienna backend, API station Opus and station Vienna.
And here API servers, micro instance is not good, right? We should go for some better one.
Yeah, but the idea is to start with a small one and then escalate to another much bigger
for
instance.
Redis.
That is for Redis, not for API server.
Okay.
What are for right now on
Yeah, whatever we have on Elysium and Symfony, we should put the same.
Same as Symfony.
Okay, So we need exactly inside this API server, it will run with Nginx, Passenger, exactly like we have on
Yes.
Station Analysis. Okay, cool.
Like a clone of Elysium.
Yep, this is the most easy way. Okay, cool.
Just clone it. Okay.
Exactly. All right. So the API server directly communication with Elastic. So you might put Elastic Redis in the same subnet network and the VPC. All right. And then it will communicate with the Vienna backend. That is not a problem. The private ELB. Why the API server will do request to the private ELB, the internal ELB of Vienna that the who is doing the dual load balancer, and
No, I can't directly connect. Like,
This one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Not this. To this. But
the privilege
Here,
is going to the two instance,
we'll have multiple VNA servers.
and
We'll have load balancer on top of it.
go to the private, and
But
next we will
It will always connect to this. The load balancer will distribute the request to.
yes,
can't we have like a dedicated VNA for that?
What if it is down?
Why do you? I mean, so like this. So already like Vienna gets requests from Symfony and Elysium, right?
Mhm.
Now you're adding a third one there, and for Vienna we are not increasing, right? Vienna.
So we will, based on the traffic from this new API server, then we will increase it.
Okay. Is like creating a dedicated one, like one or two like pad thing,
Dedicated one or two.
a dedicated server for API,
Mhm.
dedicated Vienna server for API.
Why? If we have the same code,
No, because you just said, right? We need to follow versioning and stuff, so we can do that on the intermediate server.
what on intermediate server, on API server, not on the logic server. We should have single business logic server.
No, I agree with that. I am saying, so because it's like maybe it's difficult to format the requests on the server. Why can't we like format it in between?
No.
Okay.
Okay, Moro, are you good with this?
could you say again, Rama, the idea?
Are you good with this diagram? So here, the changes that we suggested is
Yes, we need to connect the API server with Elastic, with Redis directly.
Yes.
yes, API server will connect to Redis and Vienna server will connect to Redis.
Exactly. Yeah. So it is okay. The only thing that I need to be fixed is the connection, the direct connection with the API server with Redis. Is the only thing that I see right now.
Okay. So this is good.
Yes.
And Doug, what else you added?
Cost estimations.
Yeah, I will send you the link. We have you can see the. Wait me a minute.
So the micro needs to change to
Okay.
whatever we are on Elysium right now.
Okay. I will update.
And these are like monthly estimates, right?
Yeah, monthly cost.
So 1 second here. I'm confused about this count. Database count. Why do we need 5?
So that's my last question. I want to ask you about that. And as my chat, we need only 3, right?
Oh yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I think we need 5. 2 for stage, 2 for production, 1 for dev. Sorry. Yeah.
Right.
In compute, this is also 5. ELB, this is 3.
What is compute? Compute means this.
ELB. Oh, compute means main servers.
Servers,
And also, AWS, cluster, pricing.
and default is like 2 only. So if you go for small, can we check what are we using in Elysium right now?
This is a Redis.
Oh, okay. Server.
What do we have on Elysium station? Give me a second.
The server, not database. I was
Yeah, yeah.
I was looking at the server.
Mm-hmm.
I think initially, I think we can go with this micro instance, micro node, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just half GB is enough. We will have 2, right?
1.
Yeah, total 1 GB. And we will put only user information. So that is more than enough for now.
Okay. So for stage and prod, we only need one cluster Redis, right?
2 cluster.
2 cluster.
Yeah, 2 clusters for stage and production.
One cluster with 2 nodes.
Small. So from small, it should go to micro.
Yeah.
Compute. So location.
Hello, Moro. I think
Yes.
we only need one cluster and we have 2 nodes is good enough. So no need 2 cluster, right?
Yes, I think the idea is to have one cluster with 2 nodes.
Yes. So we don't need to cluster for staging or road production because cluster.
No. 2 cluster. A cluster is a group of several nodes. So we need one cluster with 2 nodes.
ELY. Medium. So you can do the same T2 medium. So the compute should be instance size should be medium.
Okay.
For production, it should be medium.
Okay.
For stage and dev, we can put maybe small.
Moving the instance size is very, very easy and quick, so we can move anytime.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, when we have see it in the picture, I think it's better to have detailed one, right?
And the database should go down to small. Oh no, micro. What was that?
Doug, are you updating it or you want me to update?
You can update it.
So this is a micro, right?
Micro. Production medium.
How can I insert a micro?
What do you want to do?
Insert a micro.
So click here. No, click here, right click. Insert row. Two. Medium. Two. Three, what? Okay. So
I split this one, 2 medium and 3 small.
Okay.
So 2 will go to production, 2 small will go to stage, and 1 small to dev.
Okay. I will update the price after that.
Okay. So for Redis, do we need a cluster? But I mean, it is a separate cost or it is included? Okay, we are good with this.
So more or less it will remain same, right? Like because we
Yeah.
changed that.
So that when we can finish this for dev and stage. First we need to complete it for dev,
Mhm.
then stage. For dev, maybe we'll start the development from tomorrow.
Yes.
So it is better to have a dev environment by next week, if possible by Tuesday.
Oh, next week 2 days.
Yeah, by Tuesday or Monday. If it is Monday, I think it's better.
Monday would be like the best, but we can like try for Monday. Yeah, but if it's like impossible, then Tuesday would work too.
So in dev, we just need single instances, right?
Yeah.
We need to set up Nginx.
Okay. It mean you want we set up dev environment maybe had to finish within this week. So we will deploy first.
Yeah, Monday at least.
Yeah.
Try for Monday. So this week would be like too tough, right? Today is Tuesday or Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I mean, we could do it tomorrow. That would be great, but at least like try for Monday.
So you will have 2 days, right? Today it is Friday for you, and you will have Monday.
Monday also.
So try to complete it by end of Monday your time for the dev.
So on Friday to Monday, I had to set up one server API, one
Yeah.
Yes.
machine, and one Redis. That's
Correct, for the development. It should be in dev VPC.
Yeah, it's at that.
I will work with Moro and we will deploy dev. I think within this week we will have dev environment for you.
Oh, sorry.
I will work with Moro and to build the dev environment for you maybe this week. I think it's okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
So the code is okay. And
Yep.
Yep. And can you also fix this one? We should be able to see this diagram.
I think that IO needs to be shared with like public.
yeah,
I think that's it's not able
wait,
to fetch it.
wait a minute. I will share on Google Drive now.
The don't public what we did with opusnine.com, so and we are trying from August 9. Maybe that's why.
Okay.
That's another issue we need to fix. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
Do you have any question, Moro?
No.
So we can start together for dev environment this week. Is it okay? We will have
Yes,
next meeting on Monday. I will,
Yes, okay.
I will ask you some question to set up the server and the network, blah blah blah, and some security group.
Do a snapshot of Ellie or Symfony, because it's the same. We have Nginx and Passenger, and after that create a new instance with the correct instance site, change the Nginx configuration.
Moro and that everything should be in a repository in Bitbucket. Right now we have NetApps repository, right? Under NetApps we have all environment configurations.
Yeah, we all.
So we need to add. Let me show you. Let me open that and show you.
Yeah, the new Nginx configuration on the repo for the Nginx configuration. Yeah.
You can reload again.
So in NetApps under bin.
Configs.
Sorry, config. Under config, we have production and stage Nginx. So here we have ELY and SIM. We need to add
API.
API. Let's come up with some different name. So we have some meaningful names for Vienna, Symphony, and Elysium, right? They're
No,
like
so the
names-
shortcut is API, no? I mean the key.
the current application names, Vienna, Elysium, Symphony, they're names, right?
Oh, you're saying name,
Name,
not
yeah,
the
let's
key.
come up with a
Name.
different name. So we can put the same.
For now, just call it API. Like, we can, or you want to start with like name?
Yeah, it will not take much time, right?
Okay.
Just take a look at it. Okay, so how is the KT going?
What was the question, Rama?
How is the knowledge transfer going?
Yes, cool. Today we will talk about Rundeck, but yesterday I provide some guidance to talk about the best way to check what we have on Rundeck is going to the different job that we have and see the different step. So if I don't know if your DAG already checked that, because probably the priority of DAG right now is this DAG. So maybe we can do a quick review today and on Rundeck. And any question, Doug, you just send me a message or a last message. But I think the priority right now is for Doug is this DAG. So.
Yeah, thanks, Maro.
Yeah, both are priority. Knowledge transfer and this new API server setup, both are priority.
Okay. I will show the Rundeck job that we have right now. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and also like when Moro is explaining about Rundeck and its jobs, we have all the documentation in Wiki. So try to compare the Wiki and what Moro is going to tell you.
Okay.
So it will be easy for you. If you have any additional questions, you can ask him.
Okay, very much.
Okay, cool.
Maro, we will continue the knowledge transfer after this meeting.
Yes, okay. Let's talk about Rundeck job. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Maro.
cool. Thank you.
Nice, bye.
See you.
See you. Bye-bye.